Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday, January the 11th, 2021. Yes, the first two Sudoku I have solved, look, 3 stars and 4 stars. So the third one should be a binary puzzle. Alright. And this one will be number 2147. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s in this row, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double 1, here an O, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then. Double 1, here an O, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And now I need to compare, I think. Yes, let me compare. This one I cannot find. Well, yeah, almost the same. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 there, this should be an O. Yes, now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 4 minutes. Exactly. Yes, I'm very pleased with the time. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. So let's get started. Let's see you. Let's wait a few seconds. I need a break. So see you later. Bye bye for now.